Camera hashiv. Faltir go unit a kiher. Unit a kiher. In this unit, we'll be asking people where they come from and asking them whether they speak Gaelic. You'll also learn how to say that you are learning Gaelic and how. First, the question, where are you from? The usual word for where is cach. Cach. But in this particular phrase, it's co. Coasahashiv. Where are you from? Coasahashiv. Coasahashiv.
Okay, just get to know each other. We'll be starting in a few minutes.
Hello, it's Misha Katriana.
Camera hashiv. It's Misha Callum. Coasahashiv.
In our niche, Inverness Plastics, Quasashifein.
Stornavag. Stornoway International Limited.
Gleva.
Okay, everybody.
Where are you from? Coasahashiv. Coasahashiv.
Coasahashiv. Where are you from yourself? Coasahashiv. 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 Respond to the following speakers by telling them that you are from Inverness each time. You can either just give the place name, Innernish, or say a Innernish. From Inverness, a Innernish.
Hello, it's Misha Boyd. Coasahashiv.
Innernish. Ask him where he comes from himself. Coasahashiv fein.
Postri.
Hello, it's Misha Hallister. Coasahashiv.
Innernish. Ask him where he comes from himself. Coasahashiv fein.
A Manchester. A ga me furig aan de glasachu en draaste.
A Manchester. From Manchester. A ga me furig aan Glasgow en draaste. But I live in Glasgow just now. En draaste. En draaste.
A key question at any first meeting is, do you have or do you speak Gaelic? Avel Gaelic akav? Avel Gaelic akav? Avel Gaelic akav? Avel Gaelic akav? Watch out here too for gleva. Very good. Gleva.
Okay, just get to know each other. We'll be starting in a few minutes.
Hello, Avel Gaelic Akav.
Ha?
Gleva, it's Misha Katriana.
Camera hashiv, Katrina. It's Misha Callum. Coasahashiv.
In our niche, Inverness Plastics, Quasahashifein.
Stornavag. Stornoway International Limited.
Gleva.
Okay, everybody.
Mr. Hamilton, how was your journey from London?
Gleva, top leave.
Oh, Avel Gaelic Akav.
Ha Gaelic akam.
Gleva, Quasahashiv.
A Stornavag.
Ha Gaelic akam. Yes, I have Gaelic. Ha Gaelic akam. Ha Gaelic akam. Ha Gaelic akam. Ha Gaelic akam.
If you wish to be more specific, you can either say gullior, a lot or plenty, gullior, or bican, a little. Bican. You'll be asked whether you have Gaelic. Give the suggested reply each time. A bhfuil Gaelic agah?
Say a little.
Bican.
A little.
Bican. A bhfuil Gaelic agah?
Say yes. Plenty.
Ha, go leor.
Yes, plenty.
Ha, go leor. A bhfuil Gaelic agah?
Say yes. I have Gaelic.
Ha Gaelic agam.
Yes, I have Gaelic.
Ha Gaelic agam.
One phrase you are definitely going to need is Hami agumsachu. I'm learning. Hami agumsachu. 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 Hami agumsachu. Hami agumsachu.
Hallo, a bhfuil Gaelic agah?
Ha, Bigan. Ha mi a giúsacha Gaelic.
Cléomha, cáte bhfuil sibh a furach?
Ha mi a furach an glasachu.
A bhfuil car agah?
Ha, agus ha dúine agam. Cheery. Iain.
Hallo, Martin va. A bhfuil Gaelic agah?
Ha, Bigan. Ha mi a giúsacha Gaelic.
Cát?
Ekentai.
Ag an tuig, cléomha. Cát a bhfuil sibh a furach?
Inar níos an drásta ach ha mi a partic. Glasachu.
Cimar a hasibh a gceansacha Gaelic?
Less speaking our language. Ha mi a giúsacha Gaelic less speaking our language. Cát. Where? Ekentai. At home. The name of the Speaking Our Language television soap opera. Ekentai. Ekentai.
Camar. How? Camar. Camar a hasibh agumsachu. How are you learning? Camar a hasibh agumsachu. Camar a hasibh agumsachu. Camar a hasibh agumsachu.
And the reply was, Le speaking our language. With speaking our language. Le speaking our language. Eiste veríist.
Hallo, Martin va. A bhfuil Gaelic agah?
Ha, Bican. Ha mi a giúsacha Gaelic.
Cát?
Ekentai.
Ag an tuig, cléomha. Cát a bhfuil sibh a furach?
Inar níos an drásta ach ha mi a partic. Glasachu.
Cimar a hasibh a gceansacha Gaelic?
Less speaking our language. Ha mi a giúsacha Gaelic less speaking our language.